Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums MCQ series. So as part of Plums, today we are going to deal with the MCQs related to CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. So as part of the Plum series, daily at 9 p.m. 5 MCQs will be dealt from different subjects like Geography, Environment, Polity, Governance, Schemes, Economics, Budget and Survey, and on Saturday, CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning MCQs will be dealt. Sir is also taking certain MCQs related to current affairs, maps, IR on Sunday, history, art and culture on Monday, and science and technology on Friday. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. Apart from this Plum series, there are lots of free content which is already present in Vysh IAS YouTube channel. In order to get access to that free content, only thing you can do is subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. The second step is to save this number 7200681675 in order to get foundational videos and all of the stuff related to Vysh IAS. Now let's solve today's MCQs. So question number 1, a solid sphere is melted and recasted into a right circular cone with a base radius equal to the radius of the sphere. What is the ratio of the height and the radius of the cone so formed? So if a solid sphere is melted and converted into circular cone also, the volume of the both cone and the sphere will be the same, and given thing is the radius of both are equal. So volume of the sphere is nothing but, the volume of the solid sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. So they have asked us to find the ratio between height and the radius. So if you calculate this equation, 3 and 3 get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled, r square and r square will get cancelled, and the remaining is 4r is equal to h. h by r is nothing but 4:1. So the ratio which we got is 4:1. That is option number D for the question number 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. The average of age of 3 children in a family is 20% of the average age of the father and the eldest child. So now let's write the data. Let's take the 3 children as X, Y and Z. Let Z be the eldest person, X be the smallest and Y be the middle one. Okay. They have given that the average age of the 3 children, X plus Y plus Z by 3, is nothing but it's 20% of average age of father and the eldest one is Z by 2. Okay, and the other data that is given is total age of mother and the youngest as we taken is X, is nothing but 39, and value of father is given as 26 years. Okay, so they have asked us to find the age of the second child. So we have only 2 equations and we have to find the value of Y. So we have unknown values, like we don't know M value, we don't know X value, we don't know Y value, we don't know Z value. There are 4 unknown values and only 2 equations. So it is not possible to find out the value of the Y. So it can't be determined. And the option number D is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. A man is stranded on a deserted island. All he has to drink is 20-liter bottle of mango juice. To conserve his drink, he decides that on the first day he would drink 1 liter juice and refill the bottle back with water. On the second day he would drink 2 liters mixture and refill the bottle with water. On the third day he would drink 3 liters mixture and so on. By the time all the mango juice is gone, how much water he has drunk? It means that he has stayed there for 20 days. Okay, 20 days is nothing but first day he has drunk 1 liter of the bottle, and second day 2 liters, third day 3 liters and so on till 20 liters. So this is the total liquid that he has drunk. Along with the mango, he has also drunk water in this liquid. So if you find out the value of this equation, so the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? N value is given as 20. N value is nothing but 20. 20 into 21. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2. If you find out this value, 210. 21 into 10 is nothing but 210. So total of 210 liters of mixture of water and the mango he has drunk in all 20 days. Okay, out of this 210 liters of the liquid, 20 liters is mango juice. Okay, if you subtract 210 minus 20, we'll get the amount of water he has drunk. That is nothing but 190 liters of water he has drunk in the total 20 days. So MCQ number 3, option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. If every second Saturday and all Sundays are holidays in 31 days month beginning on Sunday, then how many working days are there in a month? So here every second Saturday doesn't mean that the only second Saturday. It means that every alternate Saturday is a holiday. starting from the second Saturday of the month. Every alternate Saturday is a holiday. So if the month is starting on Sunday, so let's take 1, okay, 8, 15, 22 and 29 are Sundays of that month, because we cannot go beyond 29 because only 31 days are there. And Saturdays, the second Saturdays are on 14. So before 15 one Saturday will be there, the second Saturday, and alternate Saturday will be on before 29, that is 28. So there are total of how many holidays? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 holidays are there out of 31 days. So 31 minus 7, that is 24 are the working days. The total working days are 31 minus 7, that is 24. That is option number D is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. Consider the set S 2, 3, 4 so on till 2n plus 1, where n is a positive integer. If x is the average of the odd integers in set S and y is the average of the even integers in set S, what is the value of x minus y? So we know that the odd integers of this set are starting from 3, 5, 7 to so on till 2n plus 1. Okay, there is a formula for the sum of the odd integers. So sum of the odd integers is nothing but n square plus 2n. So if you take the average of the odd integers, there are total of n integers, n odd integers in this set. So if you do this average, we'll get it as n plus 2. And some of the even integers start from 2, 4, 6 so on till 2n. Okay, 2n will be the last even integer in that set. So if you take the average of it, it will be turning out as n into n plus 1. Okay, n into n plus 1 by total even integers are n. Okay, if you cancel this n and n, we will get it as n plus 1. Total number of even integers are n plus 1. So difference between the averages of even and odd numbers. So the average that we got for the odd numbers is n plus 2. The average for the even number we have got as n plus 1. They have asked us x minus y. So n plus 2 minus n plus 1. So if you calculate this thing, we'll get as n, and n gets n minus n is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is the correct answer for question number 5. So option number B is the correct answer for question number MCQ number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this. Let's meet with another interesting plums video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.